What a wonderful event. First off, just want to welcome everybody, and I just want to say, first off, Sam, I'm really proud of you. You picked a wonderful, wonderful person.
I've always thought that there is something really special about the first time that you meet somebody, because in that moment, you have no idea if that person is going to change your life or totally waste your time. Obviously, Rachel and Sam did not turn out to be the kind of people who would waste each other's time. They work hard, and they make all of the people in their life feel so incredibly valued. Their love inspires many people, and it's hard not to have fun when you're with them. Rachel, I'm so happy that I met you. I'm so happy you met Sam. You have such a bright future together, and I can't wait to see everything that this world has in store for you. I love you both so much. Cheers.
Who knew that losing my car keys could be the greatest thing that has happened to me and lead me to be standing right here today? I continue to surprise myself that I can fall deeper in love with you each day.
You are my favorite place to go. You're at the end of my favorite road. Above the rest, you're the best I know.
Looking back on the last few years, I'm not sure which moment I wanted to spend my life with you. It might have been when we went to breakfast on our first date, and when I was driving you home, I realized I really didn't want it to end. I decided to invite you to lunch and dinner that day as well, because no matter how much time we spent together, it just wasn't enough. Could have been when you wrote me a book listing over 100 reasons that you loved me during the summer that you lived in San Francisco, and giving it to me when you came home. Or maybe it is how you can give me one look and know exactly what I need in that moment. Rachel, there are hundreds of moments that I have looked at you and knew that I would not spend a day without you.
You're my best friend, and I'm so honored to be standing here next to you. You make me laugh so hard that I cry. You put family first, time and time again. And you're the type of person that will drag me onto stage to sing karaoke. I vow to point you towards Christ in good times and in bad. I vow to put our relationship first. I vow to grow with you each and every day. I vow to love you with all of my being. Today is the beginning of our forever. This one lifetime with you won't nearly be enough. I did, I do, and I will always choose you.
It is my honor to present you with Mr. and Mrs. Sam and Rachel Vattenstall.